figure out what's going on. It's Camaro 2010.
Okay.
And what type of engine is it?
LS3.
It's a Corvette?
Yeah, LS3.
LS3 engine.
Okay.
And then if I'm asking the community for the racing parts out there, you guys know anything about this?
Sponsored.
I'm trying to, and if you guys want to put something on your video, send me something this way, and I could post it for you guys and give you some little publicity out there. So if you guys want to do this, I'm looking for something to modify this engine, and as you can tell, he's checking the spark plugs right now and see what's going on with those spark plugs, because I was doing a misfire. So we're gonna test it. We're gonna see what's going on, and then we're gonna and also be a lookout for these parts out there. If you guys have any parts that you guys want to send over for a 2015 Mustang and for a 2010 Camaro, I'll be willing to test it out for you guys out there and see if how these parts work, or you guys have any modifications for the parts. We'll go ahead and do it for you guys and give you guys some sort of publicity out there, some sponsorships. And you can see this agent's getting work right now. Let me give you a better shot of the work out there. We're almost done getting the spark plug because it was misfiring the car, but it should be done pretty soon right now. And it runs pretty good. I got the owner right here. And stay tuned for his videos, and another guy out here for his videos too. So, what's your channel name? What's your channel name?
Unavailable.
What is it?
Unavailable, to be honest.
Unavailable? What is it called?
Unavailable.
Unavailable. So go check out his channel. We'll go ahead and doing a collaboration here to get some things going on in these cars, because we're gonna need some car parts. If you guys want to test any company out there that wants to test anything out there, send us our parts this way, and we'll go ahead and install it on cars like this, and then we'll give you results how they perform. Okay. So don't forget, send parts for if you guys want to test it, send parts for a Ford Mustang GT 2015 and Camaro 2010, and we'll test the parts here. So there was a misfire in this car. So what happened? They cleaned the spark plugs, and then they did it with a little brush. There's a little brush that they did that. Let me see that little brush. Here's a little brush that they clean the spark plugs, and they also use that to clean the spark plugs. And there was a misfire on back 7. Was it on back 7?
Both of these two right here.
Both of these two were bad. So we're probably gonna replace these wires for the spark plugs, and then well, everything was clean to making sure it runs everything well. We're checking it right now, just make sure everything's connected back to normal. Cool. And then everything's good. We're gonna start it up and see what goes on right now.
And then after that, we're gonna just take one off and see if it still works.
Yeah, take one off and see if it works. So we're gonna fire it up and see what's going on. Stay tuned.
Guys, looks like this. So we take it off. See? Now it's shocking a little bit. So now what we have to do is yeah, so it's not working.
It's not working.
I took it off, and there was no change in the engine idle.
Yep.
It just stayed the exact same.
So it's still the same thing?
Yeah. So that means the boot is not really working. There's no like power going into the boot because it's stuck on the spark plug.
So when the spark plug is to be changed?
The spark plug and the boot needs to be changed.
Spark plug.
So you need to get new boots and new spark plugs because spark plugs have a lot of like deposit all over it, so they need to be changed up. But
you guys out there, let me know what good spark plugs is for this. If you guys know about any engines like this.
NGK is good.
EKJ? What is it called?
I should say, I believe they're what? NGK?
NGK, okay.
But I forgot what kind they were though.
Any suggestions in the comments? Leave me a message. And see
Iridium, I think so.
If those spark plugs are pretty
We're
good.
gonna find them right here. Let's see how much they are for everything. But yeah, we should be able to fix those by replacing everything else. Like all the it's called spark plugs and everything should be changed.
What size of engine is this?
V8 I think it's a what 6.2 liter or 6.4?
6.2.
6.2? Yeah.
6.2.
Yeah.
How many horsepower does it have?
480.
480?
Yeah.
480?
Tell all the mileage you have done to
What is this?
Well, is it BBK intake?
BBK intake.
Is BC racing coilovers.
Okay.
Dyno-tuned.
Dyno-tuned.
Cammed.
Cam.
A mild cam.
Mild
It has ZL1 wheels.
ZL1 wheels. Okay.
That's pretty much it. Yeah.
Wow. So this must have some horsepower.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Camaro 8-cylinder 6.2 liter. This one. Okay, now we're gonna look for the spark plug, not for the spark plug boots.
So this gives it more power. This thing.
Yeah. More
Yeah, it should give a little more power.
More power.
Which is yeah.
So looks like top shoe performance 2010 Camaro SS spark plug.
Where the next one shoot?
Here we go.
Where the next one?
Looks like they're right here. Advanced.
What are they called?
Advanced. This place has them. Advanced.
Advanced.
They're $72 for all of them,
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
and they're not in stock over the next cat's house. So we'll check what over here. Moorpark, not in stock. Oh.
The 1000 Oaks one?
Well, this is Advanced Auto Parts, so we have to check if anything else if any other place sells them. AutoZone has everything. Alderbrock is a very good brand. Let me see if it fits your car though. It fits your car too. Oh, these are the ones that you need. These are exactly the ones you need. Here we go. These are the ones you need, Seth.
Okay, put them on.
Alderbrock Performance.
Those are the ones
Yeah, these are the ones that he needs
to replace all that stuff.
to replace all the problems here.
Does it come with spark plugs? Or
Doesn't
just-
come with spark plugs,
no
just
spark
with
plugs? Just
but
the
these are the
cables?
same ones that you need. As you can tell that they are red,
Oh yeah.
and these are the ones that are red with the silver boot on it.
Yeah.
And if you look down here, these are also the silver boot as well. See?
Oh, down there. Oh yeah.
And that's how you tell. And then so far, this is what he needs, alone without, and then spark plugs as well
Oh,
for
cool.
the Misfire.
All right.
And that should be fixed. And this shit will drop down like okay, start bogging down because it needs more spark.
It needs more power.
It needs more power to needs more, and that's how you diagnose it. But that's one of the ways you diagnose it, unless you want to do the same thing by pulling this out and see if this, if that works too, because that's one of the ways as well.
Where's the spark plug? Is it already in?
Huh?
Are all of them in there?
Yeah, they're all in there. That's why I started.
No, but why is it so weird?
Like what? Talk to them. Yeah.
See that? Hear it? What? Once I put it back in. Put it back in. It should be fine now. Pull this one out. See how I change it? Put it back in. Put it back to normal. What's that sound? Sounds like it's about right here. This one? There's no change. Yeah, you sure? Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's a change in item.
Yeah.
What is that?
That means it works. The first one moves. The I think. Pack. These two. And then basically all the spark plugs are bad. So hold on, what's that sound? Sounds like the cam right here. Sounds like there's like a small little noise in this area. No, I don't hear that.
Oh, a little bit.
So I guess, guys, it needs new spark plugs and wire. But I mean, pushes out 465. Pressing a little bit of gas. It's running good. I mean, you can hear the power there. Started doing this because we how this issue was discovered is that we put the computer on it, and the computer said it was misfiring something, so then each spark plug was getting checked, and then two of them are not working, so he's just gonna replace everything and get it fixed and get the wire and the spark plugs. But if you guys have any recommendations out there, which is a good spark plug for this car, let me know.